what's in there.
Doodle! Yay!
Come here, take this out of your mouth.
Yay! Doodle!
It's a coloring book.
Yeah! Oh!
Well, what else is in the bag? Say pretty.
Oh my god!
Oh, who is it?
Doodle! Yay!
Is that a yay? Okay. You want to put your shirt on right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Ooh. Pants. Pants to go with your new shirt. Here, you take this off if you want. You want to try it on?
Yeah, Doodle. Doodle. I'm a doodle. Doodle. Doodle.
Come here.
Woo! Book. Good book.
No, look at the camera and say thank you, Jessica.
Thank you.